What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob here on a Saturday, July 8th, 2023. Out on the 2018 Honda Goldwing DCT Tour. I just wanted to make a quick video, let you know how my bike search is going. So I took a ride out to CTX Motoplex. I think that's the name of the dealership here in San Antonio. I wanted to test drive a Triumph Tiger Explorer GT. Unfortunately, they didn't have any GTs available for demo, so I test rode the rally version of that bike. And I was impressed. I was impressed with it. The ergonomics were very good. I mean, really didn't ride it that far, but from the little time that I spent on a bike, I was pleased with the ergonomics and the comfort of the seat. Just an overview on the bike. The bike weighs about 562 pounds, has 147 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, I believe, 95 foot-pounds of torque at 7,000 RPMs, electronic adjustable suspension, 6-speed transmission, and lots of riding modes. So it's a very capable bike. A lot of technology on the bike, which can be an asset or a liability, depends on how you look at it. But the throttle control was on point. The engine sound was awesome. And really not a lot of complaints on the bike. The rally version comes with a 21-inch front wheel as opposed to the GT version and the other versions that come with a 19-inch front wheel. And in addition to that, the GT Explorer version has a 7.8 gallon fuel tank, which is very attractive to me. Extra fuel range from when I'm out in the middle of nowhere. You know, I have a little bit more time to look for a gas station. You can't beat it. Almost 8 gallons of fuel capacity. But yeah, the bike was great. No issues with it. Lots of pluses. The minuses are a few. And like I said, the tech, like I said, can be an asset or a liability. It took the technician a few minutes to figure out how to turn on the bike. Apparently, it hadn't been started in a while, and turned out to be an issue with the fob. But other than that, everything went pretty well with the test ride or demo ride. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to open her up because the area where they had me demo the bike, there was a lot of traffic, and then after a while it started to rain, so not a lot of opportunities to see what it really can do on the open highway, but from what I saw, it's pretty good. So they offered me a pretty good deal, offered to throw in some side cases for free. So I'll think about it for a few days. I've got some other bikes to try out in the meantime. I'm not in a big rush. I don't want to be rushed into making that purchase. I'm not trying to finance a bike. I want to pay cash. I pay cash for all my bikes. So they were trying to get me to go with some financing deal, like 7.6%. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. I'll just pay cash. But the dealership itself is pretty nice. Lots of other Triumphs there. A lot of good selection. So if you're in the San Antonio area, check them out. Great selection. And seem to be a pretty good group of representatives there. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you today. You guys stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you in the very near future and let you know how my search is going. Peace.